सब्सक्राइब कीजिए शाहीन शॉर्ट एंड सिस्टम चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट वीडियोस सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hi guys, I am Mukhtar Joya, Chief Shorthand Trainer, Shaheen Shorthand System, English Shorthand Dictation, Basic Level, Shaheen Test-2 of Unit 5, Dictation Speed 40 words per minute, Shorthand and Transcription total time 25 minutes. Ready, start. The Dutch company makes the gauges, but they will have to change the name. Full stop. The boat came to the bay today to load the coal. Full stop. We had to give them a check on the 5th February for the January debt, and the February debt is, as we know, too large to be paid with it. Full stop. She has usually put the data on the page to mail back to the company. Full stop. It is a big bank, which is usually busy in the month of January. Full stop. It is unusual for the youth party to delay its policy, but we shall know in January if anything is going to be different. Full stop. We had nothing in the bank in January, but money is being put in. Full stop. Do we know if we own any money to the law department? Question mark. A change may be put into effect in February, but we have no wish to make a move. Full stop. The checks can be put in the book, but the cash ought to be put in a bag. Full stop. Attach a copy of the deed to the package, comma, but mail a copy of it to the bank, full stop. Jake was informed today but objected to the name change, full stop. They came today to pay the debt they owed to the tape company, full stop. Ask Ali for the page with the up to date data for February, full stop. Add them both up to give the cash for the month and date the page at the bottom, comma, with his name below, full stop. And stop writing please.